How's that for heavy rain? Look at the pool. It's almost overflowing. No idea if you can hear me. I've just cut the grass as well, thankfully. Nah, you can barely see it there. We've got sort of a waterfall effect here. Yeah, I know.
This waterfall, look at that. It's raining.
Eh?
It's raining.
Yeah.
Can't really get that.
Look at our pool, Kim, it's almost at the top now. Won't do it any harm though. And look, the table's nice and dry. It's definitely in a dry spot. All those little things there, that's just the sun making it bubble, that's all. Just shows how hot it gets you. Right now being winter, of course, it's not exactly warm now. Yeah, pretty cool.